guys, it's Moz here for Moz651. Our models on the workbench today. I have this Bandai plastic model kits catalogue from 1978. So this catalogue is basically 43 years old. You know, it was a couple of years before I was born. Amazing, absolutely amazing. And in here are some of the most fabulous looking kits you could buy back in the day. Now, if you've not been on this channel before, this is what I do. I actually go through my collection of catalogues I collect, and I pull one out and I film it page by page so you can see what the manufacturers were producing back in the day. And so today we've got this one, and it's a really good catalogue, I'm not gonna lie. I filmed these in 1080p, and to see these in the best quality possible, I suggest you go to the cog settings, click quality and select 1080p. If you think I'm turning the pages over a little bit too quickly, that's absolutely fine. You can slow the video down by going to the cog settings, click playback and playback speed, and then select either 0.2 or 0.5. You can also just pause the video at any time, and then once you've seen what you wanted to see, just press play. Only 10% of the people who watch these kind of videos are subscribers, and it would really help the channel if you could just click subscribe. And to be notified when I put out a brand new video, go to the bell, select all, and then you'll be notified when a new video comes out. And remember to subscribe to this channel, is absolutely free. Right, let's get to it then. This is the Bandai Plastic Model Kits catalogue for 1978. Enjoy. So quite a lot of this catalogue, you know, they start off with their supercar series, you know, the sports car series. And, you know, if you've built these models, you will know that they did really, they were cracking the market back in the day. They were absolutely Absolutely brilliant. Now you can see they look like real cars. That's how good the models are. And you think, oh no, this is, you know, these are the real cars. No, these are the models. That's how good it was. Moving on through the classic car series, you know, you had a proper range here. You know, Alfa Romeos, Rolls Royce balloon car, the Bianchi, the Mercer Raceabout. You know, the 1 to 16th Mercedes Benz. You know, I don't think they'll, you know. You try and buy these kits now, it's very difficult to find them. You know, they're really hard to find. Moving on through, they had the big tank series, which really was on par with what Tamiya were doing. You know, some of the stuff they were producing was brilliant. There's the Panzer Kampfwagen King Tiger there. There's the Jag Panther there. You know, you had the medium tank, the M60. They produced their own M60. You all think of these like, oh, Tamiya, but you know, Bandai were right up there, most definitely. The classic car series. Look at that Lotus Spirit there. Absolutely stunning car. You know, I remember wanting one of these when I was a lad. You know, you saw them. I think I wanted one until I saw Rod Stewart own one, and then I decided I didn't want it anymore. You know. Moving on through here, you know, there's quite a bit in here for you to look at. They even done a few of the Porsches there. It was great. They did a couple of bikes. Yeah, there's loads in here. Oh, they also had, why not make cutout models so you can see what was inside, you know, make dioramas. This was the huge one, the Schwinn wagon. I'd love to build that one. If I had the opportunity to, I would again. Yeah, there's some really, really good models in here. There's the Austin K5. Keep an eye out because I know that Airfix are bringing out their own Austin. Is it a K7? Or something like that. They're doing one as well. I'll put a picture up of the one that they're on about producing. Yeah, but yeah, fantastic stuff. And then they had a few planes, which was their big plane series, which was 1 to 24 range. They had the Japanese Zero Fighter there, the Messerschmitt Bf 109. Really, really nice. There's their truck series, their light plane series, and then finally their dynamic car series. I don't think they did a Spitfire. I can't see a Spitfire here, unfortunately. So, yeah, it's mostly Japanese and German. But yeah, fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. And look at these dynamic car series. Look at that Ferrari Dino there. I don't even remember that. If that car's still around, I want to drive it. Then on the back, you had the index. And that's basically it. Well, there you go then. That was the Bandai Plastic Model Kits catalogue for 1978. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below and I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.